Hi guys, good evening. So this is my project. Today I was working on this. So if you see, there is my new class and lot of libraries are imported here because I was using all of these. If you see before method, after method. So what happens is everything has their own package. So you have to import it, or it will be automatically imported if you use that thing. Like you can see actions. So user actions, that is like keyboard actions. And these are all annotations which comes automatically when you use TestNG framework. So that is what it is. I'll show you step by step. This is my class smoke test, and I have to initialize this in the inside the class, the driver, action, wait. These are all Selenium essentials which you require to run your automation scripts. So if you see, I have put in this class add before method. As I said, it is a TestNG annotations. So before method is what is like you put all your reusable code which you're gonna repeat it again and again. So that we put inside this before method. If you see, I have one method like it says configuration. I have only the short form. So I have been lazy, and this is all you need before running your test, right? Like you need to have your Gecko driver, you need to have your Firefox driver, you need to have your URL, so which one you want to work on. Then you're gonna use actions. So without keyboard actions, users cannot interact with their applications, right? So that's why we use action. Wait is suppose for any of the element, as I said earlier, all the elements on the web pages are not loaded at once. They have their own time to get loaded on the web page. So Selenium has this very good, what do you say, component to use while working on your script. So now next step was this is my before method, which I have put all my reusable, which I will require. Because if I don't put it here, I have to use all these steps again and again in all of my test cases. If I will not use this before method, I have to use all these 5, 6 lines in all of the test cases which I'm writing or test scripts. So it's like wasting your time and you're making your test more complicated, I can say. So that's why you have to put this reusable method in before method. So what before method does is like it will have this everything ready before it runs your test script. So that's the only purpose. So now the first test case I have written for this is verify Amazon landing page. I have to find the location for Amazon logo, so it gives me verification that I am on Amazon. So this is like perfect code. You can try on your side how to go for any of the landing page for any of the URL. Next test was navigate to sign in. Now Amazon site, when you open it, you have that account list um, bar which you go over it and it gives you sign in option. So this is the test script written for navigating to the sign in. So for that, what you will need, or you can check like as a user what you're gonna do. So first, I'm getting all that landing page. I am on landing page, and then I see there is account list bar which I have to move over, and then I have to click on sign in, right? So that's how you try to automate your manual steps while writing your automated test scripts. So that is all automation about. Whatever you do manually, you have to record that to automate it. So if you see, if we go on Amazon, you see there is a this is the landing page where you go, and then if you go over it, it give you the option of sign in. So you have to find the locators for this. So as a user, okay, what we do, we move our cursor to this bar, and then we hover over it, we stop by it, we don't click anything, we just stop by it. Then it gives you the option sign in. So you have to find the locators for this. And now after finding locator for this, you click. That is all you do, right? And then this is the page. Today's today's video was all about this, how you get the landing page for any of the site and how you get into the sign in thing. And you see there is one after method which also it is a reusable method which I will require after every test. So every test, what does it do? Opens the browser, which is reusable method, and close the browser, which we require it. So whatever we are reusing it, we just put in after the after method. Like after test, why it is after method? Because it will close your browser after your test is run. And before method is will run before your test will start running. So that is all about before method, test, and after method. If you see, let's see how it runs. If you want to see it, let's check. I'll run the whole class so that whatever method I have, everything will run simultaneously. So run smoke test. Hopefully it's not too slow so you guys can see how this everything works. I think it's only slow when there is recording going on. You see, I am recording all this stuff. That's why I have realized that it's kind of slow. Oh, great. So this time it just didn't like it that I said this guy is really slow, this browser is really slow. Nice. So as you see how my tests are running, I'm automating it so you can see every step I am performing. See. So here if you see what method it is running, navigate to sign in, which I have it in this class. It will also run verify Amazon landing page. Now it's running that method. So you see. So it takes time to figure out everything because sometimes the scripts you have to debug it, you have to put the weight in proper line, before the elements get loaded, or you have to use actions at the proper time, and then it finally gets passed and you're happy. You see all green, my test results. So that's how it is. Hope you will try some of on your side. Thank you for now. Bye bye.